Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Custom Adventures. So today we have the fake AirPods Pro 2. Let's get ready for some Clone Wars. Alright, starting off on the outside, the box is already a little smaller than the real one. You know, it's a little worse, but it's missing a few things, like it doesn't have AirPods Pro on the top, doesn't have the logo on the sides. I don't think it has the details on the bottom, but it does have basically the exact same thing on the back. So that's a good thing. Alright, opening both of them up, nice and smooth. And then this one's always, the fakes are always a bit of a struggle to open up. But, of course, we got their little manual in here. Manual's in there, designed by Apple in California. Okay, then we get the actual case itself. From the initial looks we're getting here, it's not looking too bad. Of course, comparing it to this, so far, looks like we'll have a pretty decent comparison today. Next, we have their ear tips, and they all just spilled out, what the frick. And then, last but not least, the charging cable. That's it for the packaging. Now for the design of the case. Okay, jumping right into the design of the case, on the side here, the little carabiner spot is basically exactly identical. Honestly, the only thing is this is slightly larger, like the holes are just itty bitty a little wider than those on the fakes. So, I mean, honestly, well done there. That's pretty darn close. Next we have the bottom here, and they have exact same layout as the real ones, but then again they just have those itty bitty, they're just slightly smaller holes right there. On the back it's the exact same, and on all of the sides it's the same. Now they both have that LED showing up front, and inside it's basically identical right there. But yeah, moving on. Now for the design of the earbuds. Alright, so now checking out the actual side-by-side comparison of these two earbuds. Like, for all the sensors, all the microphones, they look pretty much identical. They have the same haptic squeeze pads, they have the same charging strips, they even have the letter indicators. And not only that, they have the letter indicators on the inside of the ear tip, if we can get that to focus. Look at that, they have that just identical to how they have that on the actual ones. So that's freaking sick. Then we take off the little ear tip here. The ear tips are pretty identical. I'm not seeing much of a difference there. One's a little dirtier, but actually this mesh is a little cleaner, so the one for the real one is a little cleaner. But we actually have the speaker port right there, and that is looking pretty darn good. Honestly, these fakes have done an exceptional job copying the outside of the earbud. Let's see how they do for audio quality. Alright, now for the audio quality. Quite honestly, I was a little disappointed with what the fakes presented. Their noise cancellation transparency, it didn't really work at all. Not really at all. They definitely didn't meet with the standards set by the real AirPods. It was, I know, it was a little embarrassing, especially because they got the case so good, but their audio quality kind of sucked. And it honestly sounded like you were like on a plane and there was just constant humming in the background. I mean, especially compared to like what the AirPods Pro Gen 2, they've put out such a better sound quality than their first generation that I was actually hoping for a little better result with those clones, but they didn't really provide. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Now for our sponsor, Gams Go. Are you tired of spending so much money on all of your favorite streaming platforms? Like Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube Premium, or even Spotify Premium? Do you still want to be able to watch all the shows you want? Then Gams Go is perfect for you. They provide a legitimate way to get your favorite subscriptions for less. If you don't trust my word, then take the word of Trustpilot, where they have nearly a 5-star rating across over 3,000 reviews. The process is quick, easy, and simple. First, log in with your email. After you do that, choose what subscription you want. Then, choose how long you want it for, and if you want it for 1 or 5 screens. Then enter promo code CUSTOM. Proceed to payment and choose one of their payment options. Fill out your details and pay. Click on the subscription tab and see which email and password they provide you. Go to the website you bought their subscription to, enter the email and password they provided, and use only the account you have purchased. If you have any issues and someone else is using your account, you can report misuse. If there are any problems with the purchasing system or you have any other questions, they have 24/7 support available. And remember, when purchasing, use code CUSTOM for a discount. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the connectivity. Alright, now we have the connectivity. We're going to start off with the Airpods Pro 2. Simply open up the case right there. Press connect. Hold the button on the back. Just give it a sec to connect. And voila, just like that, we're connected. Okay, blah blah blah. Continue. Now just as a quick refresher of what they have in settings, what you can access. They give you the battery life of the earbuds and the case. You can adjust the name. You can switch between noise cancellation and transparency. You can adjust what happens when you click on the squeeze pads. You can do ear tip fit test. Okay, this is new. You can adjust how many presses it takes for you to end a call. You can have adaptive transparency, automatic ear detection, personalized spatial audio. They've actually added quite a few things, but basically pretty generic. We've seen this sort of design for a couple years. I'm curious to see how well the fakes replicate it. Let's check that out. Alright, now opening up the fakes. They have the same icon pop up. It's the same pairing process, so they've done very well there. And they have the little chime. Okay, well done, well done. Looks like they're taking a little longer to connect, but right there, we have AirPods Pro. Oh, now they're Ben's AirPods Pro. They even got the name, that's interesting. Okay, so here we can obviously switch between noise cancellation, off, and transparency. This looks pretty similar to what we just looked at right there. They have the battery life for the AirPods and the case. You can change the name. You can also change the touch functions. You can do ear tip fit test, automatic ear detection, personalized spatial audio, microphone, accessibility. So they basically have everything. So when it comes to settings, they have done a great job replicating that. Kudos for that. Now for the mic quality. Alright, so in my ears right now are the fake AirPods Pro 2, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. We are going to turn that stadium crowd effect noise on in 3, 2, 1. Stadium crowd effect noise is now on. Hopefully you can still hear my voice loud and clear. Testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the fake AirPods Pro 2. Alright, so in my ears right now are the Airpods Pro Gen 2, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. We are going to turn that stadium crowd effect noise on in 3, 2, 1. Stadium crowd effect noise is now on. Hopefully you can still hear my voice loud and clear. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the Airpods Pro 2. Now for the features. They both have wireless charging. The real AirPods have Hey Siri support while the fake ones don't. They both have an LED indicator and a little verbal chime to indicate charging and pairing. They both have active noise cancellation. They both have spatial audio and personalized spatial audio. Now for my personal opinion. Overall, the clones didn't do too bad of a job. They got great looks, they got the chimes, they got the Bluetooth connectivity, they got all that crap. But the one place they lacked was in the audio quality. Their audio quality wasn't up to par. Neither was their noise cancellation, neither was their transparency. Not too solid. Not too solid. But, you know, 30 bucks, a couple $100. That's what you get. There was one thing that kind of threw me off was the touch functions on the fake ones. Honestly, I couldn't figure them out for the life of me. They had some of the generic ones, but it wasn't really consistent. On top of that, you didn't actually squeeze it. It was just like a normal earbud where you just touch it. As far as looks, 10 out of 10, would recommend. Sound quality, for 30 bucks, it's not terrible. But in the end, I'm gonna stick with the real ones. And that's my personal opinion. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to check these out, their links will be in the description below. Except for the fake, because we're moral people and we don't do that stuff. Linking fakes and all that garbage. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, have a good day. See ya.